everyone, myself Amisha. So IDBI Bank, the Industrial Development Bank of India, which has more than 55 plus years experience in providing banking solutions, as well as having more than 1890 plus branches all over India. So yes, IDBI Bank has released its vacancies officially, which is a total of 1544. So without any delay, let's discuss the major highlights of this notification. So moving on, this is a notification of IDBI Bank. Here we can see that the IDBI Bank has released its notification for the post of Assistant Manager Grade A as well as for the post of Executives. So here is the bifurcation details of the total vacancies. For the executives, you can see here that the total number of vacancies is 1044. For Assistant Manager Grade A, there is a total vacancies of 500. So this is how the vacancies are bifurcated. Now let's have a discussion on the important dates regarding the application process. So you can see here that you can apply for this recruitment from today itself, which is June 3rd of 2022, and you can apply till June 17th of 2022. So you have to complete your registration within these dates, that is June 3rd to June 17th. And now let's see that the tentative examination dates. The tentative exam dates for the recruitment of executive, which is conducted on July 9, while the examination for the post of Assistant Manager Grade A is conducted on July 23rd. So these are the important dates that you should keep in mind. And while moving on, we can see the eligibility criteria and as well as the age criteria for this recruitment. We can see here that the education qualification is graduation, which means you should have a minimum qualification, that is graduation, for both the post, that is for the post of executives as well as for the post of Assistant Manager Grade A. Now while looking into the age eligibility, you can see that for executive post, the minimum age criteria, which is of 20 years and the maximum is 25 years. For the Assistant Manager Grade A, minimum age is 21 years and the maximum age is 28 years, which means you shall not exceed 28 years of age in case of Assistant Manager Grade A, and you shall not exceed 25 years of age in case of executives. Moving on to the detailing of the recruitment process. In case of executives, if you get selected, you will have to serve in the bank for a period of 1 year. After the completion of 1 year, you will have an year-to-year extension, which is of 2 years. In short, you have to serve in the bank for a period of 3 years. After the 3-year period completion, you will directly get promoted as an Assistant Manager Grade A. That is the case with executives, which is on a contractual basis. So don't consider it like it is a contract. It is a very golden opportunity which has such a huge amount of vacancy in short. And while moving on to the salary details, in case of executives, you will get a remuneration of rupees 29,000 for the first year. In the second year, it's 31,000, while in the third year, it is 34,000. Now let's check the recruitment process, so the selection process to Assistant Manager Grade A. Here, the IDBI Bank wishes to recruit you to the post of Assistant Manager after the completion of a course. The course name is Postgraduate Diploma in Banking and Finance, which is a course. The duration is of 9 months. For 9 months, you will have a classroom training. After that, for 3 months, you will have an internship at the respective branch itself. After the completion of that 12 months course, you will be directly given the post of Assistant Manager Grade A to the bank. You will get a stipend too during your course duration, and the total program fees, which is of 3,50,000. This will be financed to you by the bank itself as an education loan. So this is the program fees. You can see everything detailed in the description. Okay, and while moving on, About the service bond, you will have to serve in the bank for a minimum period of 3 years as an assistant manager, that is a service bond, or if you break the bond, you will have to pay an amount of 3 lakhs to the bank. The selection process. Now let's check what the selection process for this recruitment process. It's mainly, in case of executives, you should have to sit for an online examination. After that, you will have a document verification process. After that, a pre-medical test will be conducted by the bank. In case of the PGDBF, in case of admission to that PGDBF course, or rather we can say to the post of assistant manager, similarly, you will have to attend the online examination. After that, you will have a personal interview. Then you will have a document verification, etc. The major highlight of this notification is nothing but about its examination pattern. Normally, we have to write multiple examinations to get a job, like prelims exam, mains exam, interview, so and so, like 3 tier, 4 tier, etc. The major highlight or the major attractive thing in this notification is that you have to attend a single examination, a single mains examination. Now let's check what the pattern is. It's similar to all other bank examinations. You will have a logical reasoning and data interpretation, English language, quantitative aptitude, as well as banking awareness, current affairs, etc. You will have a sectional timing of 2 hours. The number of questions and the number of question marks, etc. everything will be given as given in the notification itself, and you will have a negative marking for this examination, which is of 0.25. And one more thing is that you can apply only for one post at a time. Either you can apply for the post of executives or assistant manager. So you can apply, or you are eligible to apply for only one post at a time. You can't apply for both the posts even though you are eligible. And you have while coming about the fees details, for SC category students, there is a 200 rupees as the application fees, while for general and other category, you will have application fees as rupees 1000. While also saying about the age relaxation, for SC categories, you will have an age relaxation of maximum 5 years. For OBC, non-creamy layer candidates, you will have an age relaxation of 3 years. So don't wait. Start preparing from today itself. Prepare with a clear-cut strategy and be confident always that you have limited time with you. So prepare with focused mind, and high-quality standard classes are also required for your preparation. So we are with you to provide you with the best offline as well as online classes. IBS classes will come in soon. So hope you all understand this notification in detail. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
If you like our content, do like, share and subscribe.